Welcome to TechX Lovers. Innovative inventions that will change the way you explore the outdoors. Bajao Cabin. Double wall tent. The Bajao Cabin is a double wall tent, which means that it has 2 layers of fabric. This helps to insulate the tent and keep it cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Air-filled poles. The Bajao Cabin uses air-filled poles instead of traditional metal poles. This makes the tent lighter and easier to set up. Detachable inner tent. The inner tent of Bajao Cabin can be detached, which allows you to use the tent as a sun shelter or a rain shelter. Storage compartment. The Bajao Cabin has a storage compartment in the bottom of the tent. This is a great place to store your gear and keep it dry. Ventilation. The Bajao Cabin has several ventilation vents, which help to keep the tent cool and prevent condensation. Durable materials. The Bajao Cabin is made of durable materials that can withstand the elements. The tent is water resistant and UV protected. Easy to set up. The Bajao Cabin is easy to set up and take down. It can be set up by one person in just a few minutes. Giga Pump 4.0. Portable. The Giga Pump 4.0 is a small portable air pump that can be easily carried with you on your camping trips. It measures 1.97 inches by 1.89 inches by 2.38 inches and weighs 3.5 ounces. Powerful. The Giga Pump 4.0 is a powerful air pump that can inflate most inflatables, including air mattresses, pool floats, and yoga balls. It can also be used to blow up balloons. Multifunctional. The Giga Pump 4.0 has multiple functions including inflating, deflating, and pumping air into storage bags. This makes it a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. LED light. The Giga Pump 4.0 has a built-in LED light that can be used to inflate your inflatables in the dark. This is a great feature for camping trips or other outdoor activities. Battery life. The Giga Pump 4.0 is powered by a rechargeable battery that can last up to 35 hours on a single charge. This means that you can use the pump for multiple days without having to recharge it. Theme Planet The Cave. Easy to set up. The cave can be set up by one person in just a few minutes. It features a unique telescope frame that makes it easy to extend and collapse. Durable. The cave is made of high-quality materials that can withstand the elements. The tent is water resistant and UV protected, and it can withstand winds of up to 35 meters per hour. Spacious. The cave is spacious enough to sleep up to 6 people. It has a large living area and a separate sleeping area. Versatile. The cave can be used for a variety of purposes. It can be used as a camping tent, a tailgating tent, portable. The cave is lightweight and portable. It comes with a carrying case, so you can easily transport it to your next destination. Overall, the Game Planet The Cave is a great option for those who are looking for a spacious, durable and easy to set up tent. It is perfect for camping, tailgating or any other outdoor activity. The Dukan Docking Room. Portable. The docking room is a portable tent that can be easily transported to your next destination. It measures 8 feet by 5 feet by 4 feet and weighs 40 pounds. Durable. The docking room is made of durable materials that can withstand the elements. It is water resistant and UV protected. Spacious. The docking room has a spacious interior that can accommodate up to 2 people. Versatile. The docking room can be used for a variety of purposes. It can be used as a sleeping platform, a sun shelter, or a party tent. Easy to set up. The docking room is easy to set up and take down. It can be set up by one person in just a few minutes. Built-in awning. The docking room has a built-in awning that provides shade. This is great for keeping you cool in the sun. Storage compartment. The docking room has a storage compartment for your gear. This is great for keeping your gear organized and out of the way. Spectro Kayo. Portable. The Spectro Kayo is a portable lantern that can be easily carried with you on your camping trips. It measures 4.3 by 3.1 by 1.3 inches and weighs 11.2 ounces. Multifunctional. The Spectro Kayo has multiple functions including camp light, hand warmer, mosquito repeller, and portable power bank. This makes it a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. LED light. The Spectro Cryo has a bright LED light that can be used for camping, hiking, or any other outdoor activity. The light has 3 brightness levels and a flashing mode. Hand warmer. The Spectro Cryo can also be used as a hand warmer. The lantern has a built-in heating element that can warm your hands on cold nights. Mosquito repeller. The Spectro Cryo has also a mosquito repeller function. The lantern releases a scent that repels mosquitoes so you can stay protected from bites. Portable power bank. The Spectro Cryo can also be used as a portable power bank. The lantern has a built-in battery that can be used to charge your devices. Overall, the Spectro Cryo is a great option for those who are looking for a portable, multifunctional and a versatile lantern. It's perfect for camping trips, hiking or any other outdoor activity. Advenit Hybrid. Compact and lightweight. The Advenit Hybrid is a compact and lightweight shovel that is easy to carry with you on your outdoor adventures. It measures 16.5 inches long and weighs just 1 pound. Durable. The Advenit Hybrid is made of durable materials that can withstand the elements. The shovel is made of anodized aluminum and stainless steel, and it has a powder-coated finish. Versatile. The Advenit Hybrid can be used for a variety of tasks, including digging, snow shoveling, and self-arresting in an avalanche. Folding design. The Advenit Hybrid has a folding design that makes it easy to store and transport. The shovel folds down to just 10 inches long, and it comes with a carrying case. Overall, the Advenit Hybrid is a great option for those who are looking for a compact, lightweight and a versatile shovel. It is perfect for camping, hiking, backpacking and other outdoor activities. High Gear Airco Stratus 250 tent. No poles required. The High Gear Airco Stratus 250 tent is a unique tent that does not require any poles. Instead, it uses an inflatable frame that makes it easy to set up and take down. Compact and lightweight. The High Gear Airco Stratus 250 tent is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and store. It measures 25 by 20 by 5 inches and weighs 10 pounds. Durable. The High Gear Airco Stratus 250 tent is made of durable materials that can withstand the elements. The tent is made of 75D polyester and has a PU coating that makes it water resistant. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.